young photographers. My name is Priya Goswami and I'm the co-author of your art exploration series from S. Chand Publishing. Today, let's understand framing and composition in photography. But before we begin, look for your viewfinder and 2 grid inserts inside the material kit in your book. These special grids will help you learn 2 important photography techniques: framing and composition. Let's understand what they mean. Framing means what to include in your photograph, like what you choose to keep in the picture and what you leave out. And composition means where to place it, like how you arrange things so your photos look balanced and interesting. When you take a photograph, you're not just clicking what is in front of you. You're making a choice, what to show and how to show it. That choice is called framing and composition. Now let's understand 2 interesting composition techniques that make your photos stand out: rule of thirds and the golden ratio. Let's choose an outdoor scene to understand composition. You can choose a tree, a bench, a school gate, or any playground. Now look through your grid viewfinder and watch how the lines guide your eye. Think of your photograph like a tic-tac-toe board. 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines dividing it into 9 boxes. This is called the rule of thirds. Instead of placing your subject in the middle, try placing it off-center as one of the lines or where the lines cross. And see how the photograph now feels more lively and interesting. Our eyes enjoy balance and movement. Placing the subject slightly off-center makes the picture more dynamic. Now imagine a soft spiral that gently curves and leads your eye to one special point. That is called the golden ratio. Place your subject at the end of the spiral or along its curve. It is perfect for scenes with curves, depth, and flow. Our eyes love smooth movement. The spiral guides the viewer's gaze gently through the frame. Framing helps you decide what to show, whereas composition helps you decide how to show it. Together, they turn simple scenes into thoughtful photographs. So don't just click. Look, choose, arrange, and create.